Hello friends, I am Vaibhavi of 8th A and today I will tell you about the World Population Day. As a planet, there are abundant challenges we face about our future. Pollution, depleting natural resources, climate change crisis are all major difficulties we must try and resolve. However, our biggest challenge still remains the exponentially rising world population. Over the last 150 years, our planet has seen such a population explosion that it has rapidly become our biggest crisis. To bring focus to this problem of overpopulation, we celebrate the World Population Day every year on July 11. Let us see more about the publication of advantages and disadvantages of World Population Day. My friends will tell you about the advantages and disadvantages.
Hello everyone, my name is Saibir Singh. I am the student of class 8B. Today we discuss some points about advantages of population. So first, helps in economic development as population leads to development, economy using skills and knowledge, enhances the economic growth of country, enables creating a developed and prosperous nation. The capacity of a nation to compete globally with all the other nations in any sphere of requirement. Thank you. Now the rest points are taken by Nancy Gautam.
Hello everyone, I am Nancy Gautam of class 8B and today I am going to tell you about advantages of population. If the population is above the optimum size, the country will be able to make better use of its resources. The size of market will increase. This should enable firms to take greater advantage of economy of scale. Extra demand will be generated. This is likely to stimulate investment and this may lead to introduction to new technology. Encourages division of labor, leading to more efficient production of goods.
Hello everyone, my name is Arun Goswami and I am the student of class 8B. So firstly, you all have heard about the advantages of population. Now I am going to tell you some disadvantages of population and here are they. Firstly, low per capita income means if people income will not be raised, then the country's poverty ratio will increase. Low per availability of essential articles and resources means all the articles and resources which we need for our living will become less in numbers due to growing population. Burden of unproductive consumers means we have to depend on others for these articles and resources. Due to growing population, the unemployment increases because the job seekers become great in numbers and the jobs become less. So next, low quality of life. In low quality of life expectation will decrease and we have to settle down this growing population. So we have to cut down trees and forest and due to this greenhouse effect will increase and all this led to environmental degradation and worst effect on environment. So we have to conserve our environment, we have to save our environment.
Hello everyone, I am Shiven Tyagi of class 8th A. Today I am going to tell you about some points on disadvantages of rapid population growth. So let's start. Burden on public utility services. Number 2. Adverse effect on capital formation, savings and investments. Number 3. Adverse effect on environment. Number 4. It declines the social infrastructure. Number 5. Rapid population growth creates many food problems. Number 6, it is the last point. Rapid population growth lowers the standard of living.